In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails in Outlook. If your inbox feels crowded or hard to manage, using Outlook's filter tools is one of the quickest ways to find the messages that matter most. Filters let you temporarily narrow down what you're seeing. So instead of scrolling through everything in your mailbox, you can focus on a specific type of email right away. To get started, open Outlook and go to the Mail section. This is the main area where your inbox and email folders are located. Once you're in Mail, make sure you're looking at the folder you want to work with, such as your inbox. That's important because the filter will apply to the emails currently displayed in that view. Next, look for the filter icon near the top of the mail list and click on it. This opens Outlook's filtering options. The filter tool is designed to help you sort through your messages quickly without having to create complicated rules or adjust permanent settings. It's a fast way to change what appears on screen based on the type of message you want to review. After clicking the filter icon, choose a quick filter that matches what you need. For example, you can select unread if you only want to see messages you haven't opened yet. This is especially useful when you want it to catch up on new emails without distractions from messages you've already reviewed. You can also choose as attachments if you're trying to locate emails that include files. That can save time when you're searching for documents, images, or other shared materials without remembering the exact subject line or sender. Another option is Senshin Me. This filter is helpful when you want to find messages where you were specifically referenced, which can be useful in team conversations or collaborative email threads where not every message needs your attention, but the ones mentioning you probably do. Once you select a filter, Outlook will immediately update the message list so you only see emails that match that category. If the results look too narrow, you can simply return to the filter menu and choose a different option that better fits what you need at the moment. This is a simple but powerful way to stay organized and reduce inbox clutter. Instead of digging through every message manually, you can use these quick filters to surface the most relevant emails in seconds. And that's how to filter emails in Outlook.